Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Trump official meme coin on Bybit. Alright, so here's how you can go about this. Make sure you have an account on Bybit. Once you've opened up the application, all you need to do to buy this token is you could either click on the deposit option, click on deposit crypto, and go ahead to deposit any cryptocurrencies you hold outside of Bybit, and then simply convert that into the Trump coin. Another option would be to click on deposit, buy some cryptocurrency like USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin using the P2P trading option, or you buy with your MasterCard or credit card using the buy with dollar or NGN, depending on your location. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some USDT or any cryptocurrency, you could click on the convert icon, and where we have from Bitcoin, let's say you hold some Bitcoin, in place of USDT, simply search for Trump and click on official Trump. And now you could easily convert from your Bitcoin to Trump. You could do this with Ethereum. You could do this with Arbitrum, USDC, PEEP, any cryptocurrency of your choice. So let's just say you got a good amount. All you need to do now is click on quote and then proceed to click on confirm transaction, and it's done. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.